Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today we are tackling a critical crash in MTA involving the error code 0xC0000409. We at Teknobalta analyzed this specific error log and identified it as a stack buffer overrun. This error occurs when a program writes more data to a block of memory than it is allocated to hold. In the context of MTA version 1.6, this is often triggered by recent changes in the texture system. We have found that the latest release builds can be unstable on certain hardware configurations. Before we dive into the main fix, we must perform some essential pre-checks on your system. First, ensure that your Windows operating system is fully updated to the latest version. Press the Windows key and type check for updates to verify your system integrity. Next, we need to verify your GPU drivers as textures are handled directly by the graphics card. If you use NVIDIA, open the GeForce Experience app and check for the latest game-ready driver. For AMD users, please use the Adrenaline software to ensure your drivers are up to date. Now, let us look at the specific error log provided in the report. The module involved is stack hash 0000, which confirms a memory safety violation. The offset PCH03 indicates a failure during the precompiled header processing or initial memory allocation. This crash bypassed normal crash handling, meaning it is a fail-fast exception. To resolve this, we will implement a version rollback to a known stable build. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to nightly.mtasa.com. This site hosts the latest development and experimental builds of the MTA client. We need to locate a specific version that bypasses the current texture system bugs. Look for version 1.6.0-9.23613. This specific build has been identified by the community and our experts as the most stable for this issue. Click on the download link for this version and wait for the installer to finish downloading. While it downloads, we recommend backing up your existing MTA configuration files. Navigate to your MTA installation folder, usually located in Program Files x86. Copy the folder named MTA to a safe location on your desktop. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Right-click the installer and select Run as administrator to ensure full write permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to install this specific nightly build. When prompted for the installation path, ensure it matches your current MTA directory. The installer will overwrite the unstable files with the stable versions from the nightly build. After the installation finishes, do not launch the game immediately. We need to clear the local cache to prevent any old texture data from causing a conflict. Go to the MTA folder, then enter the mods directory, and then the deathmatch folder. Delete the folder named Resources to force the game to re-download clean assets from servers. Now, let us adjust the Data Execution Prevention settings, also known as DEP. DEP can sometimes block MTA if it perceives the memory usage as a security threat. Open the Start menu, type View Advanced System Settings, and press Enter. Under the Advanced tab, click on the Settings button within the Performance section. Navigate to the Data Execution Prevention tab at the top of the window. Ensure that the option Turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and services only is selected. If you have it turned on for all programs, you must add MTA as an exception. Click Add and browse to your mtasa.exe file to exclude it from DEP monitoring. Apply the changes and restart your computer for the memory settings to take effect. After the reboot, we will perform a compatibility check on the executable. Right-click on the MTA shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. You may also try setting the compatibility mode to Windows 7 if the crash persists. Now, let us look at the GTA San Andreas base game files. MTA requires a clean version of GTA SA to function correctly without memory errors. If you have installed any third-party mods like high-definition textures or car mods, remove them. These mods often conflict with the MTA memory hook and trigger the 0xC0000409 error. Check your GTA San Andreas folder for any custom DLL files like ENB Series or Reshade. Temporarily move these DLL files to a different folder to test the game in a vanilla state. Now, launch MTA and enter the Settings menu from the main screen. Navigate to the Video tab to optimize the texture handling. Set the streaming memory to the maximum value allowed by your system. This allows MTA to allocate more RAM for textures, reducing the chance of a buffer overrun. We also recommend disabling any overlay software like Discord or Steam overlay temporarily. Overlays inject code into the game process, which can interfere with the stack memory. If you are using a laptop, ensure that MTA is running on the dedicated GPU and not the integrated one. You can set this in the Windows graphics settings by browsing for the MTA executable. Select High Performance to force the system to use your powerful graphics card. Let us recap the solution we implemented at Teknobalta. The primary fix is downgrading to the nightly build 1.6.0-9.23613. This bypasses the unstable texture system updates found in the standard release. Clearing the resource cache ensures that no corrupted data remains in the system. Adjusting DEP and administrator rights provides the necessary permissions for memory access. If you still encounter issues, check your antivirus software. Sometimes, aggressive real-time scanning can flag MTA as a false positive during memory allocation. Add the entire MTA and GTA San Andreas folders to your antivirus exclusion list. We at Teknobalta have seen this resolve many persistent stack hash errors. Always remember to keep a clean backup of your core game files before applying updates. The world of modding and multiplayer clients is constantly evolving, and stability can vary. By following these technical steps, you have hardened your installation against buffer overruns. We hope this deep dive into the 0xC0000409 error was helpful. Technical precision is the key to a smooth gaming experience. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more professional troubleshooting and hardware insights. We are committed to providing the most accurate solutions for the global gaming community. See you in the next technical breakdown. Stay optimized.